Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor fun with the Step2 Rain Shower Splash Pond water table. Let me tell you, folks, this isn't just any water table. It's the best water activity table available in the market. Now, what sets this water table apart from the rest? Well, let's start with the spacious design. This table is large enough for multiple kids to play at once, fostering social interaction and cooperative play. Plus, it's designed with accessibility in mind, making it easy for little ones to reach and enjoy. But the fun doesn't stop there. With the included 13-piece accessory kit, the excitement never ends. From rubber ducks to spinning pieces, every element is carefully crafted to spark imaginative play and sensory exploration. Now, let's talk about learning through play. Not only is this water table a blast for kids, but it's also a valuable educational tool. As children engage with a maze like spinners and ramps, they're learning important STEM concepts like cause and effect in a hands-on way. And here's the best part for parents: cleanup is a breeze. With the convenient non-leak drain plug, emptying the water table is quick and hassle-free. Plus, the durable construction means this table is built to last through years of outdoor fun. So there you have it, folks. The Step2 Rain Shower Splash Pond water table is not just a toy. It's a gateway to endless outdoor adventures and learning opportunities. Don't miss out on the fun. Grab yours today and make a splash with your little ones. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.